Hello and welcome back to another episode where I speak about important topics and all of you just listen waiting for some movie or meme reference. Today we are going to be discussing the state of Palestine, or not the state of Palestine, the geographical location of Palestine. Palestine. We are going to be discussing Palestine. There has been a long-standing crisis between Palestine and Israel, but have you all ever wondered where it all began? Do you guys still wonder about things? सोचा है? सोचा नहीं? तो सोचो अभी. The geographical location of Palestine has throughout history been under the rule of numerous groups, including Persians, Arabs, Greeks, Romans, etc., etc. Up until the year 1917, the Ottoman Empire ruled over much of the region. They lost the First World War, and since colonialism was still trending, Palestine came under the control of the British. The League of Nations, or as I call it, United Nations 1.0, gave Britain the responsibility to form a Jewish national homeland in Palestine. This came into effect by 1923. Then in 1947, since partition was trending, it was introduced by none other than the United Nations, or as I call it, the League of Nations Snyder Cut. We're all just hoping that it will be better than the original. The plan was to split the region into two independent states, one Jewish and one Arab. The Jewish leaders immediately agreed to the plan, but the Arabs argued that since they are a majority in certain regions, they should receive more territory. To which the Jewish leaders replied. In 1948, Britain withdrew from Palestine and Israel became an independent state. Around 700,000 to 900,000 Palestinians fled and were forced to leave their homes. All this sounds so familiar, doesn't it? Britain had some obsession with forming countries that started with P and I and then leaving. They liked doing it so much in 1947, so they decided, well guys, let's just do it again in 1948. In my head, this is how the conversation would have gone. Do you like this idea of partition that we have introduced for India and Pakistan? Oh yes, definitely, I enjoyed it thoroughly. Then let's do it again for Palestine and Israel. What do you think? A war immediately broke out between the Jews and the Arabs, which involved 5 Arab countries: Jordan, Iraq, Syria, Egypt and Lebanon. Fast forwarding to 2020, they are still at it. But things have drastically changed for one nation. Palestinians still fight for recognition by all countries and occupy the main areas of land and the West Bank and Gaza Strip. But practically speaking, about 60% of the West Bank is now occupied by Israel. International rights groups consider these settlements to be an illegal settlement, but there are clearly no defined borders. There have been several attempts at a peaceful solution over the decades, but still nothing notable has taken place. There have been constant reports coming from both sides, and most of them are a serious cause of concern for everyone in the world. There have been human rights violations, and honestly, things don't look good for the Palestinians. I am glad to announce that the Indian media has found the best solution to deal with this situation and has given it to the world.